Hello everybody, how are you? I am Nored and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is how to make firewall effective. You need to define edit. The correct answer of the question is to make a firewall effective, you will need to define and edit its roles and configurations. There are step-by-step guide to help you achieve this. Understand your network, familiarize yourself with your network's architectures, including the different devices, their roles, and how they communicate with each others. Identify security needs, determines what need to be protected and the levels of the security required. Considers what types of the threats you want to manage, e.g. malwares, authorized access. Choose a firewall solution. Select an appropriate firewall solution based on your requirement. These called out be hardware firewall, software firewalls, or a combinations. Unified Threat Management (UTM) configures basic settings, setups, essential configurations such as network interfaces, IP address, and the basic security settings. Create access control roles. Define roles that control the traffic rollout to pass through the firewall. That includes allowing or blocking specific ports and the protocols, IP addresses, and IP applications. Implement net and port forwarding rules if needs. Configures the network address translation, NAT, and the port forwarding to ensure servicing accessible from the outside while maintaining security. Enable VPNs and the remote access controls if requires. Configures virtual private networks VPN settings to ensure secure remote access to your network. Update and patch regularly. Update the firewall firmware software to the get latest security patches and the updates. Outdated softwares can be vulnerable. Do not exploits. Enable loggings and the monitoring. Configure logging settings to the record firewall activities. Regularly review to identify potential security issues or the unusual activities. Implements intrusion detection and the prevention systems IDPS. Integrates and the IDPS into your firewall setups to monitor and the respond to your specious network activities effectively. Test the firewall's conduct through testing to ensure the firewall is functioning as the intended. Test different scenarios to verify that the access roles and correctly configured. Educates users and administrators. Educate users and administrators about security best practices, including safe browsing habits and not disabling or the day bypassing the firewalls. Regularly review and update roles. Repeatedly review and update your firewall's roles based on the change in your network's environment, application, and security threats. Disaster recovery and the backups. Have a disaster recovery plan in the place, including regular backups of your firewall configuration to ensure a quick recovery in case of security incident. By following these steps and customizing them to fit your specific needs, you can enhance the effectiveness of your firewalls and improve your network security posture. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are answer sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.